Time travel. The very words spark our imagination. Could we one day journey through the annals of history, or leap into the unknown future? While seemingly a fantasy confined to science fiction, the concept of time travel has intrigued physicists for decades. At the heart of this enigma lies a theoretical concept known as the Tipler cylinder, a mind-boggling construct with the potential to turn time travel into reality. For centuries, the ability to navigate time has been relegated to the realm of myths and legends. Yet, with the advent of modern physics, the impossible seems tantalizingly within grasp. The Tipler cylinder, a theoretical object predicted by Einstein's theory of general relativity, offers a tantalizing glimpse into the possibility of manipulating the very fabric of space-time. Imagine a device capable of warping time itself, allowing us to traverse the tapestry of history or venture into the uncharted territories of the future. But before we succumb to the allure of time travel, we must grapple with the profound implications and potential consequences of such a momentous discovery. The very act of altering the past or future could unleash a cascade of unintended consequences, threatening the delicate balance of causality that governs our universe. As we stand on the precipice of unlocking time's secrets, we must proceed with caution and carefully weigh the ethical implications of wielding such immense power. Imagine a colossal cylinder stretching infinitely into the cosmos. This, my friends, is the Tipler cylinder. No ordinary cosmic structure but a theoretical time machine. Proposed by physicist Frank Tipler in 1974, this mind-boggling concept hinges on the principles of Einstein's general relativity. The Tipler cylinder's secret lies in its extreme density and rotation. Picture this, a cylinder so massive and spinning so rapidly that it distorts the fabric of space-time around it. This distortion, according to Einstein's theories, could theoretically warp time itself, creating what physicists call closed, time-like curves. These curves would essentially loop back on themselves, providing a pathway for intrepid time travelers to journey into the past. However, constructing a Tipler cylinder is a feat beyond our current technological prowess. It would require manipulating matter on a scale that defies our wildest imaginations, a task so monumental that it might only be achievable by civilizations far more advanced than our own. Constructing a Tipler cylinder is a Herculean task, to say the least. It demands not only an understanding of physics far beyond our current grasp, but also the ability to harness unimaginable amounts of energy and manipulate matter with incredible precision. This is where the transformative power of artificial intelligence comes into play. Imagine an advanced AI capable of designing and controlling self-replicating nanobots. These microscopic machines could, in theory, be programmed to harvest energy from stars, manipulate matter at the atomic level, and gradually assemble the Tipler cylinder over eons. This AI, unconstrained by human lifespans and limitations, could oversee the project across generations, making the seemingly impossible a tangible reality. But even with the assistance of AI, the challenges are immense. The Tipler cylinder requires a special kind of matter with negative mass, a concept that remains purely theoretical. This exotic matter, if it even exists, would possess bizarre properties, such as repelling rather than attracting other matter, making its acquisition and manipulation a daunting task. The allure of time travel is undeniable, but the potential consequences of altering the past or future are too grave to ignore. The Tipler cylinder, while a fascinating theoretical concept, opens a Pandora's box of paradoxes and ethical dilemmas. One of the most significant dangers is the potential for causality violations. Imagine traveling back in time and accidentally preventing your parents from meeting. This paradox, known as the grandfather paradox, highlights the potential for time travel to unravel the very fabric of our existence. Furthermore, the ability to manipulate time could have catastrophic consequences if it fell into the wrong hands. Imagine a future where dictators could rewrite history to solidify their power, or corporations could exploit past events for profit. The ethical considerations of wielding such power are staggering and demand careful contemplation.